What did the children do to deserve death?
Again, they didn't all die. You had Noah, who had 4 sons who were married, and all of them were saved. Okay? So the people who weren't in the ark, and remember, Noah's a preacher of righteousness, and they ate and they drank and they just did their own thing, and they did not believe the message, and so, that's what happens.
Okay.
And if your children are not, if you are not in the ark and you don't have your children with you, then your children are dead too, because children typically can't swim 40 days and 40 nights.
That's right.